everybody. We hope you're having a great e-learning day. I am so excited because today we get to read a story by Mo Willems, and he is one of my all-time favorite authors.
Me too.
Yeah, I absolutely love Elephant and Piggy books. They are so fun. And the great thing about Mo Willems is he has a really cool author's craft. You'll notice he doesn't use very many words, but he tells a really creative story. Another thing you notice about Mo Willems, he uses something called talk bubbles, where you can clearly see the characters that are talking in this story. And the last thing that I love about Mo Willems' author's craft, he uses simple lines to show movement. All these things are amazing and make the story so exciting to read. Today we're going to read There is a Bird on Your Head. Let's get started. I just love, you can see the trail of the bird coming down to land on the character's head. Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes? There's a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are 2 birds on your head.
What are 2 birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
They're making a nest.
2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching! Cheep, 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 cheep.
They've hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
That's the end of our story, boys and girls. I hope you really enjoyed the story today. Another thing that I love about Mo Willems' craft is sometimes he uses all uppercase letters to show that his characters are really excited. So that's another really great thing you can take away from Mo Willems' author, learning about Mo Willems. I am so glad you were here with us today. Thank you so very much.
Mrs. Khalil?
Yeah.
There's something on your head.
There's something on your head.
What's on my head?
A bird. Ah!